Hi, it's Tim at enginefactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 331 Ford Stroker 415 horsepower engine for our customer's 1951 Ford F1 truck. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. Again, we have a 331 Ford Stroker engine. We have the power forged pistons in there, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft, brand new timing cover, new balancer. We have the aluminum cylinder heads on there. All the roller rocker arms are fully adjusted and set. Engine block is painted the Ford blue with the brass freeze plugs. We have the rear sump oil pan on there with the customer's 1951 Ford F1 truck. Oil stick and tube. Roller rocker arms are all set and adjusted. There's black Ford Racing valve covers, push-in breather, distributor set in place. Red ignition wires with all the wire markers and on there. Aluminum intake manifold. 13-inch Ford Racing air cleaner. We have the Holley Sniper EFI 2 system on there. Throttle return spring, throttle cable ball. It's all set. We'll set all the settings on the Holley Sniper EFI 2 system. It'll be all set in the menu screen. Plug and play, ready to go for the customer. We have the proper automatic flex plate for the customer's C4 transmission. Proper tooth count and balance for the 331 Ford. We will be installing the starter index plate on there for the customer. We have the external fuel pressure regulator on there. We'll set the fuel pressure to 58.5 psi in the fuel pressure. That'll be set. We installed manifold vacuum fitting in there for any vacuum hookups. PCV valve, heavy duty Russell PCV hose on there. We have the 140 amp one wire hookup alternator with a heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt. All set, belt tension set, high flow aluminum water pump, standard rotation, lower hose on the driver's side, coolant bypass hose, high flow thermostat in there, 45-degree thermostat housing. Every engine is live run and fully tested for 45 minutes at Engine Factory. You're going to get a video of your engine running in the stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. We set the ignition timing. We dial in the menu screen on the Sniper EFI. We set the idle. We check for leaks. Everything is thoroughly gone over. So you know when you put this engine in, you know it's 100% perfect. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call at 908-323-5847. Send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. It's a family operated business here. We've been in business since 1969. So there you have it again, our 331 Ford Stroker engine with the Holley Sniper EFI 2 fuel injection on there for our customer's 1951 Ford F1 truck.